Shut up! You shut up! You shut up and I'll shut up! No, fuck off! Shut up, shut up, shut up!
What do you mean shut up?
You shut up!
You are the rudest
shut up.
person I've ever met.
Look at us.
You need to piss off.
Bullshit, you piss off! You piss off!
Training for you, and I was sitting
I
on
don't
the
give a
floor.
stuff
on some mad drugs, bro.
Piece of shit in front of my kids.
Well, you're a piece of shit. You're a piece of shit to get broken through like a bit of shit.
Oh, you'd know, you'd fucking know, wouldn't you?
I'd fucking tell you
You
now.
old piece of shit.
You are the
You're
rudest
a
man.
young piece of shit.
Piss off, you rude cunt. Right? You are the rudest man I've ever fucking met.
If I was a cunt, I'd be useful.
Yeah,
You're not.
exactly.
You've been pranked.
No, I'm happily married.
Oh, the poor bitch. Yeah. You are so rude, mate.
I am not rude.
No, you're so rude, isn't
You
it?
wouldn't
It's
know.
heroes who are so rude.
Who would want to be with you?
Rude, eh? Makes you get off the floor.
Look out, look out.
Yeah.
Look, there you go, we're moving now.
He's so rude. He's so rude.
Well, report me.
And they say respect the elderly.
He's gonna die soon, he doesn't matter.
No, you don't. No, you don't. What a fucking lie.
How dare you speak to me
No,
like
you
that?
don't.
You don't need to talk to us like that.
You want to fuck up right now, you silly old cunt. Don't
Okay.
you ever speak to me
Video
like that
on.
again.
Video on.
Don't you ever speak to me
Don't
like
you
that
fucking
again.
point at me.
Don't speak to
Don't
me
we
like
should
that.
get a base
Shit
one.
in
We
front
should-
of my
Don't you
kids.
point me in
Turn
front of
this
me.
up. Base one.
It's all go, you. And
Oh,
you
it's
go
not,
for
it's not.
assault.
Turn this
You
up.
are assaulting
Don't
me
you
now.
speak to me like
Shut
that
up.
shit in front of my kids.
You
Don't
are
you
assaulting
speak to
me. You are assaulting me.
In front of my kids.
Fuck off.
Settle down.
Don't you fucking speak to me
Piss
like that
off.
in front of my kids.
No.
How dare you?
I will if I want to.
Friend.
Because I am just treating you like you're treating me.
Fucking rude old
I'm treating you like